Good day, everyone. So, like I promised in our last class, I said I was going to do a video recording that will show how to prepare PowerPoint or slides using AI. For those who came for the class on Monday, we could not conclude our training on PowerPoint presentation using AI. So, that's why I am making this video to make it up to us. So, what you need to do is just to open your Chrome browser, right? So, this is my Chrome browser. And very importantly, if you're using Unizik email, please switch it to another email. Switch it to your personal email, right? So this is where you can switch. If you have another account, like I have so many other accounts here, I can just easily switch because Unizik email restricted the users to do so many things, and these are one of the things it restricted its users from doing. So just switch to a personal account. So as you can see, this is my personal account. So what you need to do after switching the account to your personal account is to go to just type Alena AI. As you can see it here, this is Alena AI. So when it opens up, the very first one that opens, look at it here, just click on it. All right, so if you click on it, it will open up. Once it opens up, click on get started. All right, click on this get started here. So I'm clicking on get started. If you see get started, then the next thing you need to do is just to click on install extensions. Okay, just click on install extensions. So I'm installing extension now. Once it opens up, you're going to see install. It will open up like this. Just click on this install button here. So I'm clicking on this install, then click on continue. Once it is done, it's going to show you that it is done. So you just click on done. So I'm waiting for it to be done. Okay, you choose the account you want the extension to be installed on. So I'm choosing this very account. Okay, so it's opening up. Then click on continue. Click on continue. If you click on continue, then just scroll down. Scroll down. You're going to see allow. Don't click on cancel. Click on allow. Scroll down and click on allow. So once you click on allow, the Alena AI will be installed to this very account. So as you can see, this is done. So you click on done. So when you're done, this same very account, okay, this same very account, if I let me open up another interface. So once you open up another interface, look at these dots here, these 9 dots. These are where you will find, this is where you're going to find so many other Google applications. So in this place, you're going to find slides. Okay, so I'll just click on it. If you click on it, scroll down, look at this thing showing that you can go down. Okay, so if you're using external mouse, just scroll down and find slides. All right, find slides. So I'm opening up slide. This is Google Slides. Slide is the same thing as PowerPoint. Okay, so once it opens up, click on this blank presentation. All right, click on blank presentations. All right, so once you click on blank presentation, the next thing you need to do is to click on extension. So on top of this place, you're going to see file, edit, slides, arrange, and the rest. So click on extensions. I'm clicking on extensions. Then click on, if you go down, you're going to see Alena AI for Google. Make sure that the account which you logged in is the same account that you opened the Google Slides on. If not, you're not going to see this Alena AI. Okay, so I click on this, just toggle, don't click, just hover your mouse pointer on top here, then go to create a new presentation using AI. All right, create a new presentation using AI. So I'm clicking on it now. So it's going to open up. So it's going to open up for you to fill up some information about you. Okay, so it will require some information about you if you've not done it before. But if you've done it before, it's not going to require you to do any of this again. This is a one-off something. All right, it's a one-off something. If you've done it before, you're not going to do it again. All right, so I'm just going to fill up some information here about me. Rather, let me just show you. I'll click on your, are you a student, a teacher, a researcher? So I'll just click on researcher, right? Then what is your institution or company name? Nnamdi Azikiwe University, right? Nnamdi Azikiwe. So once you're done filling up the information, right, that best suits you, just click on this place, click on this place, then submit. All right. Once you submit, it's going to open up another interface for you. So it is on this interface that I'm going to show us how to navigate this Alena AI. So if you want to use the Alena AI, right, just click on the topic you want to create a slide on, right? So I'm just going to open up one of my articles, then copy the topic and paste on it. Okay, I'll copy the topic, paste on it, then it depends on what you want to create the slides for. Okay, so if you're going to a church presentation, maybe a workshop on AI training, or a workshop on the use of several business practices to enhance the sustainability. It just depends on what you're working on. So just put the topic. Okay, just insert the topic here, right? Then under this prompt, this is where you're going to instruct Alena AI on what to include. So the topic is artificial intelligence as a catalyst for sustainability of a small business. So under this prompt, I'll just say, give me, I need, sorry, I need a definition of AI as an introduction with a nice picture of AI. Then I need various uses of AI in small businesses. Okay. Also add the challenges small businesses could be facing in their quest to deploy AI, then how to overcome those challenges. Just instruct it what you want to be added on the slides. Okay, it will search the internet and get the best write-ups based on the instruction that you give to it. So here you need to be as detailed as possible. You need to be as detailed as possible. You have 5,000 charts to use. So these things that I've just written, I used up just 229. So be as detailed as possible. So here, if you have the number of slides you want it to generate for you, maybe you need 5 slides, 10 slides, 20 slides, as the case may be, you can instruct it to give you the number of slides that you want. All right, but I'm just going to leave it here as author. Then here, if you have a document where you want it to extract information from, okay, like that my work I just opened, you can just add the document here. Okay, you can add the document here if you wanted to extract the information from a document. So once you click on add attachment, then click on from your device. Okay, so it's going to open up the document you have on your device. So this is the document I wanted to pick from. Okay, so it is loading, it is uploading the document here. So once it finishes uploading, it's going to give you the access to click on this create slides. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish uploading. All right, so it has finished uploading. All you need to do is just to click on create presentation. Okay, so once you click on create presentation, it's going to bring up these options for you to choose how you want your presentation to appear. Okay, so if you choose any of these samples, once it creates the presentation, your presentation will look like this. Okay, so I'm just going to, let me pick this one. So once you click on anyone, choose on anyone, click on anyone. Once you click, then click on this create presentation. So it is creating presentation. Once it starts creating, you're going to see the progress by this side of your system. So you can see step 1 of 3. It's going to take a bit more time. So depending on the number of the slides it's creating, the file size which you uploaded, if you uploaded any file. Remember, you may also choose not to upload any file. Just give it instruction. Give it the topic, you need introduction, you need objectives. Maybe you use your hand to add objectives and all whatnot. It's going to create it without adding any file, without attaching any file. But if you attach file, then it's going to help the AI to choose whatever it's going to be bringing up from the file which you attach. But if you don't attach any file, it's going to search the web, it's going to search the internet and give you options. So as you can see, it has finished creating my slides. Okay, it has finished creating my slides. So after creating the slides and you don't like what it created for you, you can edit. Okay, so once you click on any of the slides, you can just edit what is created for you. You can see insert new slides, rewrite slide text, and the rest. So once you click on any one, if you double click, it's going to open up to be big. Then you can adjust the write up. Okay, sometimes it may not give you exactly what you want. Okay, some of the texts may be bigger than the spaces provided for them. But as you can see, what is artificial intelligence? It's going to search what artificial intelligence is for you, give you a nice little picture. How can AI benefit your SME application, AI application for SMEs, challenges, high cost of AI deployment. So you can see it searched the work I uploaded and it brought up all these things. Remember, you can adjust. Okay, if you don't like the write up, or if you want to add something, you can adjust it at whatever point. You can adjust it here. Remember, this uses network, it doesn't work offline. But if you want to work offline, all you need to do is just to download the download the slides it created for you. So just click on this file. Okay, see this file here, click on this file. We want to download it now. Click on this file, then go to downloads. Okay, go to download, select the very first one, Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX. Okay, just click on this download, and it's going to download the file for you. Once it finishes downloading, you're going to find the files on your downloads. Okay, once you come to this arrow here, click on the arrow, then you see your downloads. Once you click here, you see your downloads. But let us assume that you've closed this interface and you don't know where to find the downloads, you don't know where it is. Just open your document, open this PC, that's my computer. Around here you're going to see downloads. Just click on downloads. Okay, once you click on downloads, you're going to see what you downloaded. Okay, you're going to see what you downloaded here. So as you can see, these are my downloads, right? Once you open it, this is what I just downloaded. If you open it, you're going to see the slide which was created for you using AI in matter of seconds, as the case may be. So as you can see, the write-up are not very okay. So if you're conversant with slide preparation, all you need to do is just to adjust it. So once you highlight, you reduce the write-up, it's going to fit in perfectly. Okay, so it's going to fit in perfectly. And this Alena AI here, you can just delete it so that people won't know that you created it using AI. Once you click on it, you press your delete button on your system, it goes. So here you can add your name, add other things that you want. Once you download it, you can come here and adjust it the way you want. So this is how to create stunning PowerPoint presentations using AI. So thank you. See you in our next video.